ang mantra natin is kailangan nararamdaman. It's not enough that we are seen in the street. And because of this nararamdaman, we have laid down our program. Ang isa na dito is our Enhanced Managing Police Operations. Sinabi natin, it is not enough for you to be patrolling. It is not enough for you to be patrolling and seen by our community and stakeholders. But ano ang kailangan natin doon? Dapat ito ay swift, mabilis. It should be honest, tapat. And ultimately, it should be felt. Ito ay nararamdaman. We would like to improve our processes, our system. Good program for that is aside from the continuous audit, and we will be having our, to ensure that all units are compliant and or the units of the PNP should be institutionalize ang kanilang performance governance system. We will ensure that by this year, sila ay certified to be an ISO.